Well, good morning, my all talented and sensational grade 7 students. Welcome back to our science class. I am so glad to be in this video bringing you a new lesson. Did you guys remember what you learned last week? So in your previous video clip, you have already learned about frequency diagram. That was your lesson that you learned in the previous session. Today's lesson is about investigating variation. In this lesson, you will know how to calculate the range, median, mode, and mean. And you will know how to differentiate between the individual members, and you are going to count the numbers of the differences in one species. Okay, so right now I'm getting you guys to the word problem. Let's take a look at the word problem first, then you will know how to draw the frequency diagram and you are going to calculate the range, median, mode, and mean. So you will know what is range, what is median, what is mode, and what is mean. Okay. Going to the first part of our lesson, read this word problem first, then you will be able to understand what we are going to do next. Okay, so the example right here, imagine that you have counted the numbers of petals on 10 daisy flowers. Okay, so now you have 10 daisy flowers and you are going to count the petals. You know petals? This is a flower. So these are called petals, the outsider of the flower, like that, okay, right? So you can see these petals, they are covering the flower. So this is called petal. Now you have 10 daisy flowers, you know daisy flowers, right? You have 10 daisy flowers and you are counting the numbers of the petals in each flower. Now you have these results. So how many flowers are there? 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 daisy flowers. And you have already counted the numbers of the petals. The first flower, you counted that there were 18 petals. There were 18 petals on the first daisy flower. The second flower, you found that there were 21 petals. The third, 19. The fourth, 20. And the fifth, also 20. So they got the same numbers of the petals. The sixth, 17. The eighth, the seventh, 19. The eighth, 18. The ninth, 17 petals, and the last one you got 20 petals. So these are the numbers of the petals on each flower. Okay, and this is the frequency diagram that we counted the numbers of the petals on the flowers. On this angle of the frequency diagram, you can see this is for the numbers of flowers. This is for the numbers of flowers, okay? This is the numbers of flowers. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, all right. And this range or this angle is the number of the petals, okay? So we'll say number of petals. Okay, this is the number of the petals in this straight line angle right here. Okay, so now we are going to put them in this diagram. So 17 petals of the flowers. How many 17 are there? So among 10 daisy flowers, there were 2 17. 1, 2. So how many flowers that has 2 numbers or that has 2 values that have 17? There were 2, right? 1, 2. That's why I have drawn here only 2. So there are 217, okay? 217, 1, 2. Let's take a look, 18. 18, how many 18s are there? 1, 2. So 18 petals has 2 as well. So there are 2 flowers that have 2 18s, okay? So I draw here 18. 18, okay? 19. So 19, there were also 2 numbers of the flowers. So 2 flowers that have 2 19, okay? So we have 1 and, okay, 2 right here, okay? 2 19s, okay? But take a look at number 20. Number 20 here, it seems like it is the tallest pillar in this frequency diagram because there are 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers that have number 20, that have 20 petals, okay? And the last one is 21. We have only 1 flower that has 21 petals. So this is 21. That is the lowest one, the lowest pillar, okay? Right. Okay, so now we are going to know some keywords if in case you are required to calculate the number of the median and mode, okay? So let's take a look at these first. We are going to learn some keywords or key term in our science book right here. We have range, median, mode, mean or average. These are what we are going to find out. And what are they? And in the exercise, you will try to find all these 4 things right here, like range, median, mode, mean or average. Okay, so what is range? If they want or if they ask you the question, what is range? You should know that range is the spread of values from the smallest number to the largest number. And you can look at the numbers up here. What is the smallest number? What number that is the smallest number? 17, right? 17 is the smallest number, okay? Smallest number. So as in the definition has already said that it is the spread of values from the smallest number to the largest number. So the smallest number is 17. What about the largest number? 21, right? 21 is the largest number. So range is the spread of value from the smallest number to the largest number, okay? So if in your exercise asks you that what is the range of the numbers of the people or flowers or animals, you have to think that the smallest number to the largest number, that is called range, okay? So now we got range here, 17 to 21, okay? Understand the word range, right? The second, we are studying about median. So what is median? Let's take a look at the definition first. Median is the middle number. Oh, it is the middle number. So now take a look at this. We have 5 numbers right here, 5 values. So what number that is in the middle? What value? If we are looking at this, we could see number 9, right? So number 9 is called median. So median is the middle number. 1, 2, 1, 2. It is in the middle or in the center. So we call number 9 here is the median. Okay, it's easy to look at this. So now we get that 19 is the median. Again, median is the middle value. Okay, so we got 19. Another key term or spot that we are going to study is mode. What is mode? Mode is the most common values, the numbers that have the most. Take a look at this again. So among these, which is the most common one? That's right, this is number 20. So number 20 is a mode because it is the most common one. It has the most. How many here? 1, 2, 3. This is very common because it has 3 more than others. So number 20 is called mode. Mode, okay? So we get mode 20. 20, okay? And the last one, we are going to look for mean, or sometimes people say it is a range. Okay, sorry, average, an average. We can say mean or we can say average, okay? So to find mean or average, we have to add up all the individual values and divide the numbers of the results. Okay, so we want you all to add all the numbers of the result here and divide the numbers of the result, the individual numbers right here, okay? So let's count out together. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 individual numbers that we can say the numbers of the daisy flowers. So first step, you have to add all these. So 18 plus 21 plus 19 plus 20 plus 20 plus 17 plus 19 plus 18 plus 17 plus 20. In total, the result is 189. So this is 189. This is the overall when we add up all the numbers of the individual numbers or the numbers of the daisy flowers. Okay, so in total we got 189, and then divide the numbers of the result. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need to divide. So we will we get the overall number of the individual numbers that we already add up and then divide it by 10. Where do we get a 10 from? We get it from each number of the daisy flower. 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divided by 10, the answer is 18.9. So this is mean or average. Okay? So in this lesson, you guys have learned about range, median, mode, and mean, or we can say average. After watching this video, please copy down the lesson. Copy all stuff here into your notebook to be your lesson so that you can review anytime before your midterm exams. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this pretty well. After copying your lesson, I'll upload task 1 in our Telegram group. Please get ready for it. After doing this, you will see your first task in your Telegram. So that is all of our first video clip. I'll see you in the second video clip. Hi there, welcome to our second episode of our lesson. Hope you guys have already done task 1 perfectly, and now I'll give you the second task. Okay, so your second task is in your workbook. Please open your workbook to page 38, 39, and 40. In this moment, please bring your science book out all together and turn it to page 38, 39, and 40. In this page, you will see these are the flowers, the holly leaves, this is the holly leaves. So you are going to count the prickles of each leaf and then you number under it, okay? After that, you are going to answer the question right here. There are 3 questions on the right here. So read these instruction or question properly and carefully before answering all the questions. Okay? If you don't understand any questions or any instruction, please refer to me. Direct to me, I'll help you. And the last one, you are going to draw a frequency diagram to show Pempo's results. After counting this, after counting the prickles of the holy leaves, you are going to draw a diagram that is called frequency diagram. And then you are going to answer a few more questions from number 5 to number 8. Okay, so you guys are given around 25 minutes to complete your task on this page. Okay, 25 minutes to complete your exercise right there. After that, take the picture and forward it to my personal Telegram. I'm gonna mark on it. Okay, so try to do this exercise. Okay, and after that, send it to my personal Telegram. Okay, so that is all of our second video clip. I'll see you in the last video. Hi guys, welcome to our last episode of our series. In this last video, I'll give the homework. But before going to our homework, I want to do a quick review first. So what have you guys learned today? Your lesson today was about investigating variation. It means observing the differences in one species. You guys have learned how to count the numbers of individual members in one species. And you also have learned about the keywords that you are going to look for in the exercise. So let's go once again. The most important thing in this lesson is you have to understand the word problem. When you understand the word problem, so you will be able to count the numbers of the individual members in one species. After that, you can list the result like this, and you can draw the frequency diagram as have already shown on the whiteboard. Okay, and you will be able to recognize what is range, okay, median, mode, and mean. You have to know this clearly. You have to understand the definition of each keyword first, then you will be able to calculate it. Okay, in our lesson, you have already learned that range is the spread of the values from the smallest number to the largest number. So range here, number 17 is the smallest one, and number 20 is the largest. Number 21 is the largest number. Median, what is median? Median is the middle value, okay? And we get the median, here is 19. It is in the middle, right? So this is the median because it is in the middle among others. Even though you arrange this in order from the 17, you can also see number 19 in the middle. So we consider number 19 is the median. Mode is the most common values. So number 20 is the most common values because it has more than others. 1, 2, 3. It has the most numbers in this category. Okay. Another one is the mean. So mean, or you can say average. So to find the mean, you have to add up all individual values and divide the numbers of the results. So we have to add all these, plus them all together. You will get a number of the overall, and then divide it by each, or by the numbers of the results. So the number of the result is 10. So 189 divided by 10 is equal 18.9. So that we can find the mean. So this is what we have learned in our lesson today, and I'll give you homework. So teacher will upload the homework after you guys finishing watching this video, you will see the homework. And your due date of the homework will be before the new lesson start. So when you're done with it, please submit your homework to my personal Telegram to let me check or mark on it. I'll give you some mark right there. So don't forget to do your homework, and I hope you guys have enjoyed my lesson so far, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye. Have a wonderful day.